how to check in online on Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you'll learn how you can check in online on Singapore Airlines, and here is how to go about it. So Singapore Airlines allows you to check in online as well as book flights, everything online without having to visit a physical airport or embassy. So once you have gotten all of your necessary documents, you can just log in into Singapore Airlines. You can create an account if you want to. When you create an account, you are entitled to unlock personal fair deals, privileges, and more. And how do you log in? Go to the top right corner here, click on login and sign up if you don't have an account already, and then log in. And then once you're logged in on this page, you'll see more of your benefits, and then you'll see other options there as you can see on my screen, which includes book trip, manage booking, check-in, flight status, flight schedule. Just go ahead and click on check-in since you are trying to check in online. So after clicking on check-in, you can see Singapore Airlines customers flying to Southeast Asia destination, etc, etc. This is details about the Singapore airline at the moment, all right? And so for you to be able to check in, there are two ways. You can either make use of the booking reference or the e-ticket number. Making use of the booking reference, all you need to do is to paste the 6-character booking reference in here. You'll see it in your booking. On your booking, you'll see your book after booking for the flight. You definitely get this reference. So either your email on your account, just copy and paste it here, then your last or your family name as it is in your passport, and then click on check-in. And then once you've done that, enter in a few steps would be provided on the screen. Follow these steps and then you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can check in on the Singapore Airlines. So if you do not want to make use of the booking reference, you can also make use of the e-tickets number. All right, because whenever you sign up or you book a trip online, you'll definitely get an e-ticket, and the e-ticket has a number. So just type out the 13-digit e-ticket number here as well as your last name the way it appears in your passport. Click on check-in and you're good to go. So thank you for watching and have a good day.